Hi, welcome everyone to this video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you the alternative route for those who got the Apple phones. You have to use the Go Wallet now since Apple decided to remove the browser side on the Trust Wallet. So guys, this is going to still be the middleman, Go Wallet. This goes to actually be the actual wallet where people can actually register and sign up through Forsage, okay? Because Go Wallet has a browser. And right now, we are told people are using that to actually register for Forsage. So real quick, all you got to do is go to your Play Store and look up Go Wallet. You can see the one with the orange icon that say Go. So we're going to install this. And that's what you have to do. Install it and go through the steps. Of course, you'll say create an account, when you go through that. I have already installed the wallet. So basically, it should be easy steps for you to go through. Just follow steps. But right now, I'm going to open it. And guys, still remember, you still need to fund this wallet. Now, this wallet itself doesn't have a place where you can go buy Ethereum at. So basically, you have to use a second wallet until we find another wallet that's compatible that can do it all in one. So we're just trying to find a better way so people can register and still continue with Forsage. So real quick, I'm going to send funds here because you can still buy Ethereum in Trust Wallet, guys. So basically, I did purchase Ethereum through my Trust Wallet so I could send it through here to the Go Wallet, okay? So I'm gonna just hit receive because I'm gonna receive funds here. I need to copy the address. Okay, I'm gonna copy the wallet address. For this video, I'm gonna go to my Trust Wallet because I do have funds in there. And I did download the Trust Wallet. And it is video tutorials on how to download the Trust Wallet and how to buy Ethereum. You can still buy Ethereum there. So basically I'm gonna send this amount. I clicked on Ethereum. I'm gonna hit send from my Trust Wallet because I got funds there. I'm gonna paste their wallet that I got from Go Wallet here. I'm gonna hit max because I want to send it all. I'm gonna hit next. I want to send it, so I'm gonna confirm. Because I'm gonna register through Forsage. So I'm gonna wait for that to go there. And I'm going back now to my Go Wallet. The funds should be heading there. I'm gonna wait for it to clear. As you can see, guys, the funds did get sitting here. And of course, I'm ready to get started. What I'm gonna have to do now is get the referral link. And I'm gonna go to browser. So I'm gonna pause the video till I get the referral link of my sponsor. All right, everyone, I did get the referral link. So I'm gonna click on browser. I'm gonna paste that referral link in the search box at the top. Okay. I'm gonna hit, since it's there, I'm gonna hit done so it can search it. Okay. Y'all see it's working. It should be opening up the actual page. Okay. Now I'm gonna scroll down. I'm gonna hit join now since I'm a new member. Yes, I'm coming under that. I'm gonna hit automatic registration. All right. What I'm gonna do, I gotta add additional little more funds. So let me do that real quick. If you get that error, that's just a sign you need to add a little bit more. So I'm about to do that real quick. So guys, the funds did get sent, the extra funds. It seemed like right now, based on today's date, June the 6th, 2020, it's approximately about $20 to get it Forsage right now, based on the fees that Go Wallet charge. So I'm gonna just paste the address here, my sponsor referral link. I'm gonna hit done. Okay, it's searching it. I'm going to hit join now. Okay, I'm gonna hit automatic registration. I'm gonna hit send. Y'all see the transaction going through, and it's telling me to wait for 4 confirmations. You see that at the bottom, 0/4. So as soon as that get 4 confirmations, I should be able to log right into the back office. You got one so far. Okay, let's see what else it does. As you can see, guys, I got basically 5 confirmations so far.